Did you know that most federal and postal employees are automatically enrolled in life insurance without even being told exactly what it covers or what it doesn't? And if you're like most of the people that we speak with every day, you're probably asking, do I have enough coverage to protect my family? Well, let's talk about FEGLI, Federal Employee Group Life Insurance. It's the largest group life insurance program in the world, and yet most employees don't fully understand how it works. That's where we come in. At the Benefit Coordinators, we speak to federal and postal employees all the time who are shocked when they find out what they're paying for or what they should have been paying attention to years ago. We at the Benefit Coordinators really enjoy creating this video content for you. If you enjoy it as well, would you please consider clicking the like and the subscribe buttons. Also, clicking the chime will notify you of our new posts. We'd like to provide you at no cost a copy of our e-publication, the Federal Employee Benefits Handbook. This is in our 13th year that we've done this for federal employees. It's no cost to you, simply request it of the Benefit Coordinators. Or if you prefer, you can actually go to Amazon and purchase it yourself. And now, let's get back to the video now that my car has been cleaned. Let's break it all down in simple human language, no jargon, just facts that actually make sense for your life. What is FEGLI? FEGLI is group life insurance created just for federal workers and postal employees. When you got hired, you were probably enrolled in basic coverage by default. That's your salary, rounded up to the nearest $1,000 plus $2,000 additional dollars. Sounds decent, right? But here's the thing, most families need more than that just to stay protected, especially if you're the main producer. Here's what most folks don't realize. You have optional coverage available optionally as well. They're called options A, B, and C. These are extra layers of protection that you can choose to add, but it was not automatic. Open seasons hardly ever come along, but in explaining what your FEGLI is, option A adds a flat $10,000 of coverage. Option B lets you choose between 1 to 5 times your salary. Option C helps protect your spouse and kids too. But here's the kicker, you pay the full cost of the optional coverage and those premiums go up as you get older. That's why we say the earlier you understand your choices, the better. Another thing that we can help you do is make sure that you understand those changes. Unlike some benefits, FEGLI does not have an open season every year. You can only change your FEGLI when you first start your job, when you have a big life change, like getting married or having a child, or if you're willing to go through a medical exam to apply later. Now, we've seen too many people assume that they can update their policy anytime, only to find out it's not that simple. So if your life hasn't changed and your policy hasn't, well, it's time to take a closer look. Because what about retirement? That's a big one. Well, if you don't plan ahead, you could be losing coverage or paying much more than you had expected. In order to keep your FEGLI into retirement, you need to have been enrolled in it for at least 5 years before you retire. And once you hit age 65, you also have choices. You can let your coverage drop to 25% of its original value and stop paying. You can reduce it to 50% and pay a little each month, or you can keep the full amount, but it will cost you more. And honestly, we've seen people retire with less coverage than they thought, and then it's too late to adjust it without a major cost. Here's what you should ask yourself right away. Will my current FEGLI actually cover everything that my loved ones would need? Have you looked at what you would be paying and if it's in the best interest of your life today? Do you have a clear backup plan for retirement? If any of those questions made your stomach drop, then you're not alone. This is exactly why we do what we do. At the Benefit Coordinators, we help real people just like you, federal and postal employees who want to feel confident, not confused about their benefits. And yes, we'll walk you through it. We'll help you figure it out if FEGLI is enough for you. And if there's time to explore other options, well, no pressure, just honest human support. If you're ready to stop guessing about your life insurance, let's talk. You know, we've worked hard to help people understand that they have worked hard to earn their benefits, and it's time to actually start using them to protect what matters most. You can visit thebenefitcoordinators.com today, and let's make sure that you have the coverage that you actually need that fits your life. So we're here when you're ready. Let's fix that right now, okay? So